Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So student, in this video we will gonna discuss about types of cooperative society. Yes, it is the second part of cooperative society. Okay, and the last one also. In this six parts we are going to discuss about cooperative society. Okay, first one is consumer cooperative society. Okay, that is joined by consumer. Okay, middle to eliminate or to remove middleman. Okay, purchase goods directly from manufacturer and sell them to its member at reasonable price. That is known as consumer cooperative society. Yes, afterward profit is distribute among the uh, par, uh, among the members, like dividend means who invested money, he will get a part of profit, that is not a dividend. Those who are working for our society, they will get bonus. Okay, but in case of profit, objective means to give essential goods at a reasonable price. Essential means necessary things, example bread, butter. Okay, food items you can take. Next, producer cooperative society. Yes, small producer who have difficulty to purchase input machinery, latest technology. Okay, they join a producer cooperative society. Okay, because to get these things, okay, provide raw material, input machinery, and sell the goods produced by the producer. Okay, or next, objective, again, supply of raw material they will easily get at a reasonable price. Help producer to concentrate on production only, because from this society they will get the raw material inputs and machinery at a reasonable price. He does not have to had a worry about these things. Okay, first one is consumer cooperative society and second one is producer cooperative society. Now third one is cooperative marketing society. Yes, in this society, marketing portion is there. Example, small producer bring outputs together. Yes, then sell at best price. It some marketing of goods is there. Okay, example, profit distribute according to their share in the sales. Yes. Okay, if I am producing a product, then what, after sales and profit we will distribute them according to our share in the cooperative marketing society. Okay, objective will it provide favorable market for members. Yes, it increases competitive position in the market. Okay, they provide us facilities like warehousing, store where we store the goods, transportation. Okay, because if any producer arrange these two things, it will more costly. Okay, fourth one is cooperative farming society. Yes, small producer farmers join together. Example, uh, farming society. Example, some farmer join because they face problem to getting things like seeds, fertilizer, modern techniques. Okay, so they form this cooperative farming society. Okay, these are the four cooperative societies we discussed here. Now we will going to discuss about rest of the two societies. Cooperative credit society. Yes, any people join this society. If she feels any difficulty to arrange loans, then he can be a member of this society. Okay, funds deposit must be contributed by members. In rural credit corporation, farmers formed it this society. Okay, by joining it. In urban bank form, they will get low interest on loan. Okay, in earlier times, land landowners or big landlords exploit the farmers by charging more interest on loans. So cooperative credit society helps to protect farmers from that exploitation. And last one is cooperative housing society. Yes, if you want to purchase plot, house. Okay, and how accommodation facility. Accommodation means for house. Okay, for then you must be member of this society. They provide you houses, at flats at reasonable rates. Okay, installments you have to pay for it. Objective: provide loans to members to build houses at low cost. They also provide low loans. Provide civic amenities like parks, parking. Okay, so this is the topic. Hope you understand this. So if you have any query, please text me. Thanks everyone.